Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to set up your Arc browser spaces for work and life balance. So guys, in order to work with your spaces, you will need to do that on this left sidebar. As you can see, I now have my space 1, but you will have this as well once you launch up the browser, because you can't not have spaces as far as I can see. And in this space 1, let's for example separate it, right? And I will delete this name and I will say, for example, personal. Like this, personal, and press enter. And now guys, you can, for example, go to some kind of website. Let me go plus. Let me go new tab. And I will just open up the company that made this browser, right? And I'm just going to go ahead and save it as my favorite. So you can just, as you can see, this is the panel with open tabs. You just drag it right here onto personal, and now it stays here. Also, guys, if you want, you can go ahead and create a new folder like this, and then move it there. And now it's going to be located in this folder. And now, guys, also to separate your work and personal stuff, you do the same thing. So we just create a new space. To do that, you go plus, new space, space name, let's say work. That. Then we choose a color theme, for example. It doesn't really matter. And then create the space. There you go. And now, guys, in order to switch between them, bam, just click on this little icon. And if you want to go back to work, switch here. And now you can create and open up your new tabs, create your work environment here, and open the tabs that are only going to be used for work. So that's why they are called spaces pretty much. You can switch between them and have kind of two different worlds that do not interact with each other and are completely separate. So that's it. Enjoy separating work from personal stuff. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.